So hi everyone, in this video I will explain to check the given number is prime or not. Okay, so this is most famous interview question. So firstly I hope you know already about the prime number. Okay, prime number means the number which is divisible by 1 and itself, 1 and itself, that is called the prime number. Okay, you know already. For example, 2 3 5 7, these all are the prime number. Okay, the number which is divisible from 1 and itself, that is the prime number. Yeah, in other way you can also tell the number which are having only two factor. The number which are having the two factor, it is called the prime number. Okay, factor means, if you want to know factor, suppose if I take the example of 8. So the factor means how many smallest number that can divide the 8. So 1 2 4 and 8, these all number is there. So, it is able to divide the 8. Okay, these all are the factor. So 8 are having 4 factor, but for a prime number only 2 factor is there. For example, 5 are having only 2 factor, 1 and 5. Okay, so those number is said to be prime. So who are having the two factor 1 या 5, yeah, in other word, it is divisible by 1 and itself. I hope you understand. So firstly, so I will enter the one number from with the help of a scanf. So from the user means user will enter a number. Okay, a scanf, that is the percentage d address of a. Okay, user enter a number. Okay, how we check this is prime or not? For example, if I consider the 5, so 5, it should be only it should be divisible from 1 and itself. Okay, that is the 5. Okay, so for the divisibility of the number, I will use the modulus operator. Modulus, that is the modulus operator. Okay, the symbol is the modulus operator is like that, to check whether the if I divide a number and the remainder is 0 or not. For that we will use the modulus operator. If remainder comes 0, then we will tell the number is completely divisible. So firstly I will check 5 moduli with 2. Actually from 1 and 5 it will be divisible, but in this range 2 to 4 it will not. So in this range it will not the divisible. Okay, then we can tell this is the prime number. So firstly I am checking, I am changing the color. Okay, so firstly I will check from the 2, and I will check it is coming to 0 or not. Means okay, so here I will check. So here I will check. So firstly from the 2. So 5, if I divide 2, the remainder is not 0. Means okay. Then in the next condition, so 2 value will I will increase this. I will increase this. So with the 3. Okay. So then I need to increase with 3. So for that purpose we need to use a variable. Variable, that is the I moduli with I. Okay, and this I value will be changed every time. Suppose if the user enter any arbitrary number, that is the a. Okay, and this value every time we need to check, and it is the divisible or not. Means it is giving 0 or not. This is the condition, and every time I will use I will change this value I. So for changing of the I will use the for loop. For I value is going from 2, I will start 2, and I less than a. Okay, and I plus plus for increment. Okay, why I am writing the less than equal to, you can also write, but if you write the less than equal to, then you need to write you need to write a plus 1. Okay, that's why here I will use the less than I less than I and the curly bracket, and if I put this, if a moduli I equal to 0. So this is the moduli operator. This color is showing now. Yeah, then if this condition is true, break, if this condition is true, if the condition is true, then break a statement will executed. If break a statement will executed, then we will come out the loop, and finally we will check here if I equal to a, then it is a prime number. the prime number inside the printf function is there, printf is there. Okay, otherwise else it is not prime number. Okay, this is the complete code. So here I'm considering the one example. If I enter I is 5, so if I enter is 5, the user enter the value 5. Okay, the user enter 5. Okay, then so in the first condition here, condition will so firstly I is 2. Okay, so the I is 2, so 2 less than 5, the condition true na, then it will go inside the loop body, for body. So here I will check the 5 moduli 2. So it is not divisible na, means remainder will not give 0, it will, the remainder it will give 1. So this condition is not true. If this condition is not true, then this break statement will not executed. Then we go here for increment. So here I increment with 3. Okay, then here we will check condition is true or no. For every time entering in the loop, every time we will check the condition. If condition is true, then we can enter in the loop. So here the 3 is less than 5, means 3 is less than 5 na, then we will enter into the loop. Here I will check the condition. If condition a moduli है 5 moduli 3, so it will also so that time it will not divisible and it will not give the remainder 0, it will give remainder 2. Okay, so but here na the condition is 0 na, so it is not divisible and remainder it will not give 0. So this statement, this if body will not executed. Okay, so this condition is false, the break statement will not executed. Then again we I is increment with 4, and here we will check the condition. So 5 less than 4, yeah, condition is true. Sorry. So I increment with 4 no, so 4 less than 5. Okay, 4 छोटा है, 4 is smallest, 5 is greater, condition true. Then again we will enter into the loop. So here I will check the 5 moduli 4. Again it will not give the 0, means it is not divisible, it will give remainder 1. It is not true, then the break statement will not executed. Then we will increment here, I value is increment with 5. This time 5 less than 5, oh yeah, this condition is false. 5 less than 5, so this condition is false now. Actually 5 and 5 equal, but it is telling like that 5 less than 5. So this condition is false. If condition is false, then we will come out from the loop. Or here I will check. Now this moment of time I is also increment to 5, मतलब I increment होके 5 हो गई है. Okay, I is increment to 5 and A is already 5. So 5 and 5 is equal. Then this is the prime number. Otherwise is not prime number. I am taking another example. That number is not a prime. Okay, I am taking another example. Suppose you enter the value is 4. Okay, suppose if you enter the 4, so 4 is not a prime number. So how we can check? So firstly I initialize with 2. Okay, I initialize 2. So here I 2, and it will check the condition 2 less than 4. 2 less than 4, condition is true, will enter into the loop. So here the condition is 4 moduli 2 equal to 0. Yeah, this statement is true now. If I divide 4 with 2, remainder will be 0. The remainder will be 0. If remainder will be 0, then break statement will run. If the break statement will run, then we will come out from the loop. Actually break it is used to come out from the loop. So this statement will execute. If executed, so break will execute, we will come out from the loop. Here the value of I is only 2 and A is 4. The user enter 4 na, so 2 and 4 is equal. No, it is not equal. Then else statement will executed and it is not a prime number. I hope you understand. Okay, so at the end we will come out from the loop with the help of break. Yeah, otherwise the loop will complete executed. If we will come out from the loop, then it is not a prime number. Because of that, I and A will not equal. A will divide any one of the number in that range. Okay, I hope you understand. And if the loop will run completely, then we will come out the loop. So overall at the end we will come out from the loop. Okay, with the help of break statement, yeah, loop पूरा चलेगी, yeah, the loop completely will run. If the loop completely will run, then it is prime number, otherwise it is not a prime number. So I hope you understand. So don't ask this question here inside the app if I didn't make the body, because of that the only one statement is there, only one statement. Okay, I hope you understand. So here I am writing the code and I am going on the software. So online idc compiler I am using. You can also use. Firstly, I enter the one number with the help of the scanf. Okay, with the help of scanf, and that value will go into the a. For initialization of loop, I take the one. Okay, then here I am using the for loop, and I initialize with 2 and I less than a and I plus plus. Okay, and this is the curly bracket, and here I will check if condition sorry, a moduli I equal to 0, and then if this statement is, then we'll break the loop, break break. Okay, and finally here I will check if a statement, if here I am copying this printf. Okay, control C, कंट्रोल भी, तो यहाँ पे ये अगर इक्वल हो जाएगी, इफ आई इज इक्वल टू ए, देन विल टेल दिस इज द प्राइम नंबर. ओके, प्राइम नंबर, अदरवाइज एल्स नॉट अ, कंट्रोल भी नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर, it is not a prime number. I hope you understand this code. Okay, so you need to explain. If interviewer ask like that, now you need to explain. Okay, many times he will not tell to write the code on the software, but you need to explain everything. So this is the complete thing. I think there is no error is there. Yeah, I will check any error is there, yeah, not, yeah, no error is there. So if I enter 7, so 7 is prime or not, I am checking output. So I think no any error, yeah, no error is there. Okay, here I will enter the 8 firstly. So output come like that, it is not a prime number. Okay, it is not a prime number now, you understand. So this is the not a prime number. Okay, then I am checking, I am run again, I am doing run again. If I enter the 7 is prime number, so output came 7 is the prime number. Okay, 7 is the prime number. So you can enter any one of the numbers. Suppose 19 is prime number now. If I enter 19, see, if I enter 19, what happened, if I enter 19, yeah, it is so it is the prime number, it is showing now 19 is the prime number. Okay, 19 is the prime number. Okay, so if I enter like the 20, it is not a prime number, so you can check 20, it is not a prime number. So I hope you understand this code. Okay, so there is also another method is also there to write the prime number, but here I discuss the easiest way. Okay, I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. In the next video, we will meet. Okay, thank you everyone.